He's happy talking to
Good
camera than to
morning,
us.
pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, guys. It's 5:30 a.m. I am super excited for the safari. We're gonna go into the Sariska Reserve to hopefully spot a tiger, maybe some leopards, and apparently cheetahs, according to Kriti and Upalana. I know what you're thinking. यहाँ चीता इनके हिसाब से यहाँ पे normally Africa में ही होते हैं. Hopefully yes, we'll spot something other than just deer and birds. Hopefully an elephant. I've never actually spotted an elephant in the wild. Sid Vanika were not able to wake up. Wasn't their cup of tea, so they are peacefully sleeping and will not be joining us. But hopefully we'll see them at breakfast. By then they might be up. On 3, I want you to show me your level of excitement. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Dale, mariachi!
So we finally made it. So we've actually got a canter instead of a freaking gypsy. Hopefully, it's going to be a good experience. Before we even get onto the canter, we've already spotted this jawbone, which belongs to some sort of animal. Did you say why they're attacking us? Hello, baby. Fortunately, we had no success. Any sort of carnivore except the mirror. So we're now gonna head back. Hopefully get some breakfast in Chini Cha. And with the Chini Cha, we've also got this at the side. Sambar, idli, dosa and live eggs to order. Probably gonna get an eggs benedict. Cheese. I'm like Jerry from Tom and Jerry. I absolutely love cheese. All the gang is here and sabki band baji padi hai. Khana pel rahe hain. But the food so far has been excellent.
Especially the Mysore dosa.
The dosa was the highlight, man.
And the aloo ka paratha too.
Aloo ka paratha main khaya nahi, but excellent food, man. Sid is also here. Sid, have you recovered from last night?
It's not a trip for recovery. It's a trip to get wasted.
That snooker game took forever, by the way, and I won. These guys kept fouling, came back down to a low score, and I potted the last ball, and I got like whatever 7, 8 points right off the bat, and I won the whole game. And I was zero at the whole game. But that's life, man. That's luck. Lunchtime, got Asian food. I just finished a bunch of vegetarian sushi, tuna and fish, and chicken and black bean sauce. And Dhruv has unfortunately eaten a dim sum that was way too hot, and now he's struggling.
We're in the middle of a property tour. If you look to my left, you'll see the muddy water villas. In the 1970s, there's a bunch of anacondas that had infested these waters. But thanks to Unanta, they're there no more.
They slaughtered the anacondas.
I'm wearing those motherfuckers on my feet.
So a little bit of a property tour. They've got 4 types of villas. There's the fire villa, it's the water villa, earth and bamboo. It's time for some sipping paints.
My favorite thing.
No, it's a compliment.
I'm painting his
No,
teeth.
it's a compliment.
Okay.
Can we take a look at what you're painting through? Abstract MF Hussain inspired painting. I can turn this into a Jackson Pollock.
What does that mean?
We'll talk about it later.
So aren't you painting Donkey Kong?
Because it's time for me to edit some videos. Oh, it's time for a live barbecue. Kya baat hai? Oh my god. That shit looking too lively. And we're also going to be enjoying some live music with everyone on the pool side. Let's check in with the gang and see what's up. What's up, guys?
Oh, damn.
Oh shit. मेरी आंखों के अंदर flash डाल दे भाई.
Hi, Bhaiya.
I'm just trying to flash you guys a little bit.
No baps, man.
No,
Get in line, baby.
Good evening, the baby. Kya chal raha hai? Why are you sitting here alone, dude?
I'm just putting up the stories.
Oh,
I'm working.
Working. So hard working. Chalo, thank you for giving me a break. Because it's my birthday vacation. It's 10:30 p.m. and it's now getting time to go back into the room, settle in. If I'm being totally honest, I'm exhausted. I've had 3 firnis, lots of mutton, lots of fish, and aaj ke liye ho gaya. Tonight's not going to be a long night. Tonight's not going to be a lot of drinking. Okay, good night. Love you.